I have a question. Whenever I try to speak in English, I have um, I need to translate in my mind
Mm-hmm.
to my native language.
Yes.
So how can I get rid of translation process when talking to in English?
I got you. Okay, that's really good question. Most of the students have the same problem actually. Translation cannot work after a certain level. I would say until B1, B2 level, it is okay. I don't say you have to. I say it is okay to use translations from your mother language, or let's say using your mother language dictionaries as well as the Google or whatever. But from B1 level and on, I
Yes.
never recommend it, which means that firstly, we have to know what your level is, and then we can decide. I think at least you should be like A2, B1 level, right? What is your level?
My level is intermediate.
Intermediate. Okay, so you are a B1 level. So
Yes,
you,
B1 level. Yes,
okay,
B1.
try not to use translation while you are basically speaking to somebody, right? Uh,
Yes.
this thing actually comes from perfectionism. Mostly people want to be perfect. I mean, in a way that they are really perfect or they feel perfect while they're speaking in their mother language. Guys, we cannot be really perfect in another language other than our mother language. It is almost impossible, or that is not the point. Okay? Never ever try to be like that. Perfectionism kills. Perfectionism cannot help you. So first,
Okay.
just try to be vulnerable, okay? Try to be vulnerable. Forget about perfectionism. This is number one. Number two is by repetition, by exposure, by practicing a lot, you can overcome this fear, and step by step, you can improve. Another technique that I can tell you is you need to talk to those people who are at the same level with you. Let's say you're intermediate level, talk to intermediate level students, or let's say language users. Try to feel that, okay, my English is not bad. I can understand. And my friend's English is not bad. Okay, we can understand each other. So there's
Yes.
no huge competition. And step by step, psychologically, you are ready to go up. All right. So if you pay attention to these two stuff, I would say you can be successful.
You say, yeah, you have to see your level. You have
Mm-hmm.
to avoid
Yes.
translating, but you
Mm-hmm.
didn't explain how.
Of course, I try to explain actually. As I said, first you have to be psychologically ready. Okay. How? First, try to avoid being perfectionist. I
Oh,
explained
that's a
it.
good. That's the solution. Trying to avoid.
Avoid perfectionism.
So,
Yes.
in your opinion, when you speak and you don't need to translate, you are perfect. That is perfection, in your opinion.
No, no, no. I said that this psychology comes from the mother language, actually. Let's say you speak Mexican, let's say you speak Arabic, Spanish, okay? Uh, because Arabic, Spanish, French, whatever is your mother language, you feel okay with it. You can easily maneuver on the language really easily and quickly. So you feel strong, and you want to have the same feeling while speaking English, because
Okay.
because somehow people are unable to be at that level, okay, with that fluency, with that beautiful speaking skills. What happens? People automatically, how can I say, they do not want to talk. They do not talk. They say, I can't. I mean, everything is related to our psychology. Everything. Our success, our failure, the whole life, everything.
You say you have to talk. You have to talk, and you will be better. Okay.
the answer you gave me was very good. Perfectionism. Yes, I have perfectionism. Actually, obsessive compulsive or something.
Mm-hmm.
I need to get rid of perfectionism first to achieve a level fluency level in the English.
Mm-hmm.
So you said I need to find a partner that
Exactly. I mean,
same
why I
same
said
level as
that? Because if you feel if you feel comfortable, you start to improve. But if you are not comfortable, you cannot learn very well. You cannot speak very well. So it can be kind of hustle. It can restrict you from being really good without knowing your potential. You just because you are let's say I say you because I mean generally because people are trying to be perfect. So what happens? They cannot really learn or improve. That's why.